Had this Dyson vacuum forever. It works great. I had it for 3 years, something like that. Which one is this? I don't even remember what the model is. I think it's the V11. Anyways, works great. The filter comes out when you need to change the filter. It's easier with 2 hands. The charger pops out. Just carry it around. Super easy to empty.
Put this on me?
In a second. Just take it over a trash can. Whoa. Open it up. You did. Empties all out. Yeah, gross.
Ew.
And that's good to go. Battery's not the longest lasting thing out there, but it cleans really well. That's good. Attachments come off very easily. Just pop right here. Slide them off. Same right here. Slide it off. Super easy. Make it a shorter little guy. Okay. Again, this is like 3 years old, something like that. Still works great. Had to replace the battery once, which you can just find pretty easily on Amazon. Yeah, and that's the Dyson vacuum. Got all these little attachments. I don't even know where my other pieces are. I've lost them at this point, but highly recommend.
I love this material. It feels like a quick file for the floor. Absolutely amazing. Comfortable, convenient, excellent.